Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on this space, do well to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on all our releases. Today you're going to see some amazing military innovations that were considered science fiction just a few years ago. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos and enjoy this selection of awesome gadgets that are sure to blow your mind. Most military conflicts have traditionally been fought on land, but now they have shifted to the skies. Particularly dangerous these days are small drones that cause colossal damage but are challenging to shoot down. To counter this threat, there's Skynet, a German air defense system with stabilization and self-guidance capabilities. It operates at ultra-short ranges within a 2.5-mile radius, targeting cruise missiles and UAVs like the Iranian Shahed drones. Skynet can fire up to 1,000 rounds per minute with its 35mm ammunition, boasting an effective rate of up to 100%. It's impressively powerful and astonishingly affordable, with each unit costing around $4,000. For a comparison, a single missile from the classic American Hawk air defense system costs $250,000. Even more fascinating is the fact that a version of Skynet, equipped with a 30 kilowatts laser, has already undergone testing. We may not be that far away from witnessing Star Wars in real life. Disarming operations may look cool, but the risk of harming the good guys is always a concern. To mitigate this, enter Dago, a small killer robot. This guy weighs 22 pounds and is armed with a 9mm Glock pistol capable of hitting targets up to 18 feet away. Moving silently like a ninja, the Dago can traverse terrains at speeds up to 4 miles per hour, overcoming obstacles, entering buildings, and even climbing stairs. It features 360 degrees day and night vision and 8-color cameras to quickly detect enemies. See a target? Just touch it on the screen and voila. Dago can also facilitate two-way audio communication or neutralize opponents with a pepper spray canister. It's so simple and convenient. It's a wonder it wasn't invented earlier. When enemy tanks are closing in, a single vehicle with a 2-person crew can halt their advance. We're talking about the Robotic, Poland's automated mine-laying system, which can carry 600 rounds of various types. It's used to create minefields of any size and density. A single truck can establish a defensive area around 2,000 yards long and up to 100 yards wide in just 22 minutes, and it takes less than 30 minutes to fully reload. In the air, the M139 Air Volcano helicopter excels at the same task. It can scatter 960 mines in a single sortie. Quite a formidable pair, right? And here is the perfect companion for the Robotic. The M1150A PV mine clearing tank takes the lead when it comes to breaking through enemy lines and advancing infantry. This tank clears roads of hidden bombs and mines, allowing safe passage for troops and vehicles. Unlike a regular tank, this 72-ton war machine is equipped with a mine plow and line charges. Its rockets carry C4 explosives up to 500 feet ahead, detonating hidden mines at a safe distance. Then the 15-foot mine plow clears the land of debris by pushing it aside. The average cost of a single M1150A BV is quite substantial at $16 million. However, this tank can save an army much more than that, so it's well worth the investment. The Patria 6x6 armored personnel carrier and a 120mm Patria Nemo motor system are a formidable duo unlike any other. The crew operates this innovative weapon from within, kept safe by the vehicle's Satang Level 2 ballistic and mine protection. The combat vehicle is effective on the move, easy to handle, and surprisingly agile, almost like a rally car. Here's no need for the crew to swim across. The Patria simply switches into amphibious mode and glides smoothly over the water. For naval battles, there's the Patria Nemo Navy mortar system. It can shell coastal positions, support amphibious landings or ground troops, and even engage moving enemy ships. Did you know that there is such thing as a smart bunker buster bomb that is impossible to hide from? Traveling at supersonic speeds, it can penetrate dozens of feet of reinforced concrete before detonating. These bombs are used to strike hard-to-reach targets such as command centers, ammunition depots, and enemy research labs. This massive bomb is carried by the B-2 stealth bomber. Once dropped, it accelerates to incredible speeds, slicing through the ground like a hot knife through butter. These bombs are typically filled with tritonal, 80% TNT and 20% aluminum powder. Versions like the GBU-57 can penetrate up to 62 feet of reinforced concrete and reach depths of 200 feet. That's taller than the Statue of Liberty. That power is hard to imagine. Every soldier dreams of having a loyal and helpful partner that always had their back. Well, with the Silent Missile Master AUGV, All the dangerous routine tasks are handled, transporting cargo up to 2,200 pounds, reconnaissance, medical evacuation, and much more. This significantly enhances mission efficiency and safety while reducing the number of soldiers needed. These remote-controlled armored vehicles can reach the most inaccessible places and travel up to 466 miles without refueling. More Innova, they can repel the enemy from a distance. For example, the Mission Master SP is armed with machine guns and an MLRS, which fires 470mm caliber missiles. It can strike stationary and mobile targets up to 4.3 miles away with minimal collateral damage. Imagine how amazing that must look. The only thing these machines seem to be missing is self-awareness. Meet the Conquerable IX, the world's first ground-based interceptor capable of destroying incoming threats from long distances. This vehicle can move at extremely high speeds, up to 124 miles per hour on roads and up to 99 miles per hour off-road. It remains stealthy until its merciless fully extendable weapon system is deployed. From the M2 to Bushmaster to missiles, a variety of weapons can be deployed on this platform depending on the mission objectives. There's even a special helmet for the operator, complete with an AI-based interface providing 360 degrees vision, threat assessment, classification, and targeting capabilities. How awesome is that? Who hasn't dreamed of having an invisibility cloak? That camouflage could save thousands of lives, and it already exists. Quantum stealth is a transparent, lightweight material that completely conceals people, vehicles, and even buildings. Not only is it invisible to the human eye, but also to ultraviolet and infrared sensors. Quantum stealth was created by Guy Kramer, who managed to make it thinner than paper and cheaper than standard camouflage uniforms. The quantum stealth shield can protect a person on the move by making it significantly more difficult for the enemy to take aim and deliver an accurate strike. The material even reduces shadows by 80 to 90%, which would help Navy SEALs remain hidden during landings. I'm not so sure about widespread use in military operations, but I definitely wouldn't want this technology to fall into enemy hands. In tumultuous urban settings like Gotham City, military and police crime-fighting units are indispensable. And the MV3 Historic, a special vehicle with frontal ballistic protection for up to 8 people, is crucial for these units. Equipped with infrared and thermal imaging cameras for situational monitoring, gas and poison detectors, and other tactical gadgets, the MV3 is nothing if not versatile. It's effective both day and night, even in low visibility conditions. The Historic is also robust and fast, capable of moving at 5 miles per hour uncrowded or riotous, and thanks to its retractable battering ram and harpoon, obstacles are no problem. So we are sure that as technology advances, the rate of security also does. With the help of this advancements, the world would be a safer place. Well, that will be it for today's video. I hope you like it. Kindly hit the notification bell for more updates coming. Take care.